Good morning, everyone. I would like you to do a few little warm-up problems today, again, before we get going. So if you would pause the video, look at the problems and do them just like we would our warm-ups in class, that would be awesome. Give your brain a chance to think about these things before I talk about them. So pause the video, and I'll see you back here in a second. Okay, so now that you are unpaused and you have done these, the answer to a log problem is still an exponent. What is the exponent shortcut when you multiply a common basis? So what did we do in a problem like this? We add the exponents. What did we do when we divided? Like this other problem, we subtracted the exponents, okay? And then just a reminder on our little log rules here. So if we wanted to take problem A, it might be easier to do separated. If you started with it separated, it might be easier to do if you multiply them together. Okay, and then for part B, when you're dividing, again, that works just like the exponent rules. So this would be log base b of m minus log base b of n. And again, which way do you do it? Depends on which way is easier to solve. And again, the goal of these is to try and be able to solve it without using your calculator. Later, you are going to learn the secret of the universe so that you can use your calculator on any problem, but there are still problems that are just better to do without your calculator. Okay, and then a couple reminders. If we were doing a power to a power, remember if we were doing x cubed to the second power, that's going to be x to the sixth. Remember, this means x cubed times x cubed. And if we added them together, that gives you x to the sixth. So the shortcut is to multiply these numbers. And then number 6, x to the 1/2 to the 8th power. Again, you're just going to multiply them, and 1/2 times 8 gives you x to the 4th. But again, if we were to write that the long way, x to the 1/2, x to the 1/2, x to the 1/2, and isn't that a pain to have to write all of these? And if we did this the other way, a half plus 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 a half is 4. So, okay, turn this one off and we will get going on the notes here.